What's your biggest letdown in life? I mean, what's that one thing that you have really wanted to achieve, but it has taken you a lot of time to just come to terms or to achieve it? Okay, guys, I know that this is a YouTube video, so I want to welcome you back to my channel. And today we're going to make a wall hanging. This one that you are seeing at the corner, yes, this one. But as we make this, I want us to talk a little bit and be engaged in this video so that you don't get bored. And so guys, today I'm going to talk about my fear, my biggest letdown, things that I have done or I have hoped for, but they simply have not come to pass. Now guys, you know, if you're Kenyan, I don't know if this happens to those of you who are in other countries, but if you're Kenyan, when you're born, our system of education is such that you know that when I am born, after some time, I'll go to primary school, then finish class 8 and then go to high school, finish high school and then go to university, and hopefully right after get a job. So most of us, we get it right from primary and even high school, and the disappointment begins setting in when you're getting to college. Now depending on the grade that you got, you might end up maybe doing something that you did not like, or our system will give you a course that you do not really like, but because it's college and usually there is a hype around you being in college, so most of the time you will find yourself just doing that which you are given. So as for me, when I finished, I thought that science is a very good thing, you know. So I fancied doing a science course, and therefore when I went to choose, I was very happy, very happy to choose biotechnology, because I knew that finally I am going to be this big scientist somewhere and then life will be good. So yeah, I went to school, I did that science, I finished, and then I graduated. So after graduation, that's when reality began setting in. I was like, I've already finished school, so right now I am looking for a job. I tarmacked in this Nairobi 2014, 2015. Though I had gotten an internship, and thereafter I've gotten this first job in my first year. And then the worst happened. Like, these guys, I just lost that job. Let me say that. I lost the job, and then now, imagine after finishing school, you have worked for a year, and then now you begin looking for a job. And it was so hard for me to secure a job. And I was like, okay, I haven't gotten a job after a while, so what do I do now? So like every graduate, I suppose, I took up going to do volunteer work. So I did volunteer work in somewhere on Ngong Road, in a children's home. So basically, when I say volunteer work, I mean I was in a children's home cooking, washing dishes, helping in cleaning, and the cleaning was clothes and maybe their dormitories. So I did that for almost a year, and then I came back to the drawing board, and I thought, okay, after volunteering for a while, you know, the money that you had is also being depleted, because as a volunteer you're not being paid anything. So I decided, okay, I haven't been paid anything, so now what do I do? So I went ahead now and started on another journey of volunteering, but now not on Ngong Road. I got some volunteer job in the slums, Those of you who know Madari slums, there's a place called Number 10. So that's where I went for my second volunteer. So now I'm at Number 10 volunteering, and one day I'm in this school. So we used to supply this school with sanitary towels. So now one day I'm in this school doing my thing, and then I meet this lady. She's white. Her name is Marie, and she's asking me. So the teacher sees me there, and he's like, this is the lady who normally helps us to get sanitary towels. So okay, so I got to talk with the lady, and then she proposed this idea. How can we work together so that these girls continue getting sanitary pads? And then she's from Sweden, so she had this idea of making these washable pads. So guys, that is how I got into the production of washable sanitary towels. And believe you me, since 2014 up to 2021, that's what I did. So now what happens to my science? It's been so long. It's been a while, and I haven't gotten into it yet. And there's a lot of things that have happened hapo katikati. So guys, as we finish this video, I hope I have not lost you. I think I'll continue with this story maybe in my next video, so please stick around, and I'll continue to share a few stories of my life, so that we can grow together and see how and when I got to start on YouTube. Thank you.